I'm gonna hang up and try calling you back. All right, reconnect.
If Sainty you them left out a farming and gone in a badness, then the whole Jamaica go in a madness. Oh, them turn my farmland in a gangland with them gang bang. Run bang.
They're Saint Elizabeth, me they are foreign and afraid. How come the bread baskets turn in a gun basket? They're Saint Elizabeth, me they are foreign and astray. How come the place of happiness start carry blood in the basket? Oh, Sainty aka St. Base, our place of righteousness, with people of godliness. We can't afford to live in this maze. How comes we living like the wild, wild west? All of a sudden a news we start make. This is an issue that we all must address. We can't afford to make this place rage. Oh, St. Elizabeth, me they are Santa Cruz afraid. How come the bread basket turn in a gun basket? Oh, St. Elizabeth, me they Jerusalem afraid. How come the place of happiness start carry blood in the basket? Cultivate, produce for the market. Mind backside and produce the good sales.
Voice of the one, Richie Innocent.
We see the people give love and kindness. We see a win like boat at the birthday. We can't support the slackness, worse badness. First parish get like we don't use the darkness. We should have stopped it from Spur Tree Inn. Now the place colder than Mandeville. From Junction to Black River, blood a spill. From Lacovia to Malvern and top of the hill. Now the hills where they know. From elders to children and they know. We should have stopped it from border. No make the parish get out of order. Our parish of farmers can't take this crime and violence saga. Magati elders listen over the clover. Remember migratory criminals don't come with no order. No decent citizen and criminal and no partner. Could never be partner. Just will it fly birds savannah embrace we fall. How why you think the nation praise we fall? The food basket ever deliver.
West Falls, Lovers Leap, Treasure Beach, can't make them breach the peace. Alan Bambo.
Said this, we don't need this. So we're asking God for your spiritual fix. From Newmarket, Appleton, Goshen to Alligator Pond, Richie Innocent ask the Almighty to outstretch him, man.
Oh, Sainty, oh, Sainty, oh, Sainty. Oh, Sainty, oh, Sainty, oh, Sainty.
If Sainty you them left out a farming and gone in a badness, then the whole Jamaica go in a madness. Oh, them turn my farmland in a gangland with them gang bang.
Run bang. They're Saint Elizabeth, me they are foreign and afraid. How come the bread baskets turn in a gun basket? They're Saint Elizabeth, me they are foreign and astray. How come the place of happiness start carry blood in the basket? Oh, Sainty aka St. Base, our place of righteousness, with people of godliness. We can't afford to live in this maze. How comes we living like the wild, wild west? All of a sudden a news we start make. This is an issue that we all must address. We can't afford to make this place rage. Oh, St. Elizabeth, me they are Santa Cruz afraid. How come the bread basket turn in a gun basket? Oh, St. Elizabeth, me they Jerusalem afraid. How come the place of happiness start carry blood in the basket? Cultivate, get produced for the market. Mind backside and produce the goods.
All right, I think we have the Deputy Commissioner back on the line. Deputy Commissioner Fitz Bailey, are you there? Hello?
I'm here. Sir.
All right, perfect. Listen,
I'm here. Yes.
I thank you for your patience and sorry for the disconnect.
The disruption.
Yeah, the disruption. So yeah, I think before we were interrupted, I was asking you what happens to the police while the investigation, the police that went to that scene and ruled it as a dying asleep, but later to autopsy to show that she was shot. Are those police, what are they? Are they still active duty?
Well, let me say this. Our investigation is we want to ensure that there's transparency and accountability. And the JCF is committed to upholding the principle of transparency and accountability and justice as well. And one of the rationale for the investigation is to provide clarity on the circumstances that led to this tragic incident and any perceived discrepancies that we will vigorously and investigate and address. The situation as is not as is reported in social media. I will tell you that. I am speaking from the perspective of knowledge.
Right.
There is no time, based on our investigation, did the police say to anyone that the lady died in her sleep. That never came from the police.
Oh, okay.
That never came from the police. So that's as far as I would say.
Gotcha. All right.
So we are doing our investigation.
Enough said. All right. MG, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Deputy Commissioner. You mentioned the need for transparency and accountability. And then there arises, and I'm quite sure this has been tabled by several of our viewers and our listeners from time to time. How do you manage dealing with speaking truth to power, especially since we know how politics work? You know, they have those, as you said, those bad players, the bad apples that seem to make the whole bunch seem as if it's a bad bunch, where they are busy indicating right, while behind the scenes they are busy turning left. And you have situations where there's a caution or even a fear about speaking truth to power, because, for example, the introduction of guns into the country. You said, yes, politics has been, the political influence and impact has been somewhat laid to rest. But, you know, the question, one of the viewers asked the question, where is the backup or the follow-up in terms of things